Hello everybody, welcome to my Visual Cube system presentation. It is a patent-pending invention for three-dimensional database datasets. We use 2D surface as a source of information, a method which has been in use from the times of cave paintings. I described this process briefly in my short intro video. This was fine several thousands of years ago, but not in this new era where we create over 2 quintillion bytes of data every day. That is over 2 billion of gigabytes every day. Obviously, it's extremely hard and not intuitive to work with a flat 2D data model. Let me start from a simple example of a warehouse environment. First, I change left cube object depth to 1. It is in the z-axis. As you can see, I have got 2 spreadsheets with table on each one. Left side of screen shows warehouse employees table for 1st of May 2014. We can see different categories like employee name, area of work, indirect and direct hours, number of completed orders, number of picked units, performance, breaks in minutes, hours, and shift. This table shows 152 employees with summary row on the bottom. Now please have a look to the right spreadsheet. It represents the same data like left spreadsheet, however, it's shown in a 3D perspective. We can also scroll down to the bottom of the table. There is summary row as well. Now when I compare it, you can see exactly the same values. Okay, now I'm going to scroll both of them up. Next, I'm going to change a day from 1st of May to 2nd of May. Again, we can compare and see the same data. Let's do it one more time. It's the 3rd of May. Okay, then I go back to the 1st of May for both tables. Probably you've noticed names are highlighted in different colors. It's because of different teams. Let me show it on different file. It's a warehouse flowchart. As you can see, there is a company structure with 1 warehouse manager, 2 shift managers, section managers, and team leaders. If I click on First Team Leader, a new form appears. Now when I go to Teams, you can see 17 names for Team Leader 9. Team Leader 8 has 15 operatives from number 18 to 32. Team Leader 4 has 9 operatives from number 33 to 41. Well, let's quickly go to Management tab. I can see unallocated management members. I add them to the company structure. Okay, now let me first explain the difference and benefit of 3D table. When I scroll down to summary row and click on edge of this table, you see a summary row with values for shown range of data. It is for first 3 teams. Also, please notice the edge of this table shows the same data like the last column. We can also change range and position of 3D table. This can be done by ribbon-based controls and keyboard shortcuts. This time I compare Cube to multidimensional idea databases. They offer, for example, Cube Database as a concept of a multidimensional database, but the end user can again see 2-dimensional tables or area. Now let's assume that I want to get employees' shifts for more than 1 day. On a standard spreadsheet, I can see shifts for first day, second day, third, etc. When I go to 3D tablet, I can do the same, but in a quicker and more flexible way. So now I change from second to fourth day and still go back to, let's say, second day again. Of course, I can use previously shown flexibility of any range and position in database. I can change the table to smaller sizes from size 16 to 9 and number of employees from 32 to 17. We can now see the first two teams. I can also change the day from 2nd to the 1st of May. On the last column, I get their shifts. But what if I want to see more than one day at once? In this case, I can immediately change to Access YZ tablet just like in multi-dimensional databases.